What's up, traders? It's Mark here coming at you with today's bizarre market trading recap. Folks, today was a day unlike anything we've seen in 2022. All right, as this market started the session by just plunging. All right, we started the session, folks, being down around 1,000 points on the Dow. Okay, so let me set the stage for you. Markets are plunging all over the world. There's pandemonium, there's chaos. And you know what I was doing? I was listening to my jazz music, had my headphones on, and I was looking at this volume indicator. Okay, just like I do every single day. And yep, you guessed it, ladies and gentlemen, this volume indicator nailed the session low from today. Okay, so I don't care what anybody out there says, folks, you cannot trade without volume. You need to know where the institutional buyers and sellers are in the market, on any symbol, on any asset class that you trade. Right? Because have you ever heard the saying, chance favors the prepared mind? You ever heard that before? What that means is that if you are prepared, if you are a very disciplined and prepared trader, you have a roadmap, you have a game plan that you're going to follow every single day, no matter what's going on in the market. Right? Because having this volume indicator on your charts on a day like today can help you keep your cool. At least it did for me. Okay, because frankly speaking, folks, I followed the same plan that I always follow, right? I wait for this indicator, all right, to turn a certain color. In this case, as it did today, as the markets were plunging, it turned from red into green at this exact moment in time. And then, you know what I'm doing? I'm looking for a retracement. Okay, where I want to see the market come back to me. Folks, this setup here from today, all right, it was absolutely perfect. And look at the way it caught the rally. Guys, this was like 1,000 tick or pip potential move on every symbol. The Dow, the S&P, the Nas, the Russell, oil, everything responded very well to this volume indicator. So yeah, folks, I don't know what else to say, man. Today's price action trading using my green and red volume indicator profile here, man, this thing left me speechless today. I mean, I kind of knew that we were going to rip maybe to like here, right? Maybe 36.50 and change. I was not expecting the market to basically double from this point and keep ripping, right? This was a trading scenario and a trading session unlike anything I've ever seen. These are the days that we live for, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, I've warned you every single day for the last 6 weeks that Q4, which is the last 3 months of every calendar year, are typically some of the best months to trade the market. Okay, so look, folks, congrats to all you guys out there that were using the vol today and you crushed it. Thank you for your feedback, your text messages, your emails. I apologize if I couldn't get back to everybody today, but it makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside that you guys crushed it in today's epic market rally. And for everyone else, man, for those of you guys that are still on the sidelines or you're fumbling and bumbling around with your goofy Bollinger Bands and your stochastics indicators, then boy, did you miss out on the trade of a lifetime. And I don't think I'm going to be able to sleep tonight because I cannot wait to see how this market's going to play out tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.